Menteri Rang Ba Kajela Ukonrat ke Sangma ulapli paiba ya kathon Meghalaya Farmers Parliament haka Southrik Nopra haka jingalang kabalalong ha State Convention Center Shillong shibenta ka jingrakhe ya kasngi jongki nong rep ne Farmers Day Iaka Farmers Day lapenlong haka saubat santrik Nopra ban plilat ya ki nong rep haka we kerensan ban iasyllok bat ban yathu ya ki jingeh bat ban pynjem ya ki jingeh haka riang karep karyang u konran haba keren uloong kajing penlong ya ka Farmers Parliament kadai shibenta kum kajing itu ya kajing tray jong ki pai nong rem UCM ula ong ru bakani ka program kadai ka bokongsan ban itu ya kajing tray ka jongki bat ban kersyan ya ki bat kadai ru ka khubor ka bepenpau baka sarkar kaya dan rengkat lang bat ki kenang bakin la ban kentiu ya ka rep karyang bat kayok ka kon Nalor kata Menteri ula benrap ru baka regeneration Meghalaya program ka badai ka agroforestry project ka ba ula pli dangshan ka dai tang ka benta jong ka ni ka thong ka bakraw ha ka ni ka program chief minister ula samru ya ki check shakinong yo jing mentoy lingba ka focus bat PES kumju ya ki nong yo jing mentoy lingba ka pigari mission shibenta jong ka ni ka jing rakhe UCM ula pli ru ya ki khatwe tli ki karkhana bansong bat penkre ya ki marem Bat ya Southli ki jaka bukmar syaki thain ki bakham paji. Hakani ka program laya don langru Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba AL Heg. Bat ka Menteri Ketenat ka rep karyang ka kong amperin lingdo nalor ki weipan.
At the very outset, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Farmers' Day. In order to celebrate our farmers, to recognize the work that they are doing, to motivate them, and to let them know that we are all here to work together in order to support them and to take their work forward so that they're able to improve their overall livelihood in the farming sector, which has been a huge challenge for them in the past many decades. We need to create institutional setups. We need to start incentivizing. We need to start bringing in technology. We need to increase the capacity. We need to have a focused approach. And all of these different thought processes made us come up with different programs that we had, and I don't want to go into everything. But it has been a continuous process, and it will be a continuous process for many, many years and decades to come. There was not a single processing unit in Lakadong turmeric. We created more than 15 processing units, all energized with solar energy and all run by our women self-help groups. And this is one small example to show you that a product like Lakadong, which has global acceptance and global demand and was a low-hanging fruit, was simply ignored. And no support was being given to farmers, they were just on their own. And hence we started taking these small steps, and slowly and steadily we have seen that the returns that the farmers are getting because of the support that we're giving them has gone up multifold. Today, in fact, I'm very happy to inform you that on the 29th of November, which was just last week, the Registrar of Geographical Indications in Chennai has given the GI tag to Lakadong turmeric finally. And we started this process again 4 years back. Didn't happen in one go. Let's not shy away from the challenges. Let's not shy away from the real problems that we are facing. And why are those problems there? Now, if we are going to go into afforestation projects, and in a state where we are mine and mineral rich state, how do we balance out between our mining activities And how do we balance out between the economic livelihood that mining gives to our people and yet achieve this goal of having forest cover additional of 22,000 hectares? I'm not saying I have the answer for it, but what I'm saying is we can't ignore these facts. We can't ignore that there is a huge ecosystem where there are multiple stakeholders and different activities taking place. Let us put this all in front and go with specific program and policy to balance out the entire activity, keeping the larger goal in mind. Second, we need to understand that every state is unique. We need to understand that maybe a program that you did in somewhere in South America or somewhere in Europe may not apply in toto in a state like Meghalaya or in any other state, because our state is unique. Our culture is unique. Our land holding system is unique. And our people are unique. You need to get the trust of the people at the grassroots level. That is going to ensure sustainability for your project. You need to get the community involved. Ours is a community-based society. Every program that we do as a government, whether it's the health program, we have village health councils that have meeting every month, where a booklet and an online system is given to them, where the village health councils are community-based councils, where they then explain to the people about different health problems, different areas in which they can take preventive measures, different causes for different kind of diseases, and at which time of the year, what kind of disease we should be careful about. This is all done through village health councils. Government, we have always believed in ensuring that we don't look at schemes anymore. I am very much against our officials and our ministers who focus on schemes, because that narrows down our vision and our purpose. It is not about implementing the scheme, but it is about the result that the scheme is going to give us. And it is very important as political leaders and as a government and officials to keep our eye on the objective, not on the scheme that we are trying to do. So a holistic approach is required. Departments cannot work in silos. We are mentioning about this great program that you're doing, the Regeneration Meghalaya program. Again, I should say that it's a program that's very, very close to my heart. We are having a water conference through the Climate Council in the month of February. And you'll be surprised to know that what the Regeneration Meghalaya program is planning to achieve and is moving forward with. Government of Meghalaya is doing different programs through different departments in similar lines. So we just have to collaborate now and really work together.
Lopli galat kelenti dan keperbi boldly ejai skip di project affair kong kasiem elevate ke prime focus bekiwe de when I galat I ledi yakin nogrem ke jungi bikin roy hikam ke jam ke jungi
la dama pihi ki nogrem pymyen scam ban ong shi hajar mo bat ngin shim ya kan ke challenge bat ngin pen ya ka pateng ka banwan ba plan ban long unong rep kam dei ke jing sanson rei ke dei ke privilege ban ka bor ka ba kerpang.
Phenomenal growth has taken place in this primary sector, and I want to express my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister and his cabinet colleagues for standing up for the cause of the farmers in our state. And the collective strength, the resilience and the dedication of the farmers have brought us this far.